Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to add terms and condition link to Shopify footer. So let's just learn about that. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. Adding terms and condition link to Shopify footer is pretty easy. So first what you need to do is you're going to be searching in here for terms and conditions. Just like that, you're going to be heading over to your Shopify app store. Now you have various integrations for terms and conditions. TNC, I highly suggest this since this is going to be providing you the most effective terms and condition customizations. Once you're onto that, you can see we can incorporate that. So that's how easily you can incorporate terms and conditions to Shopify. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.